In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Yango. If you're looking for a reliable app for rides, food, or delivery, getting the official Yango app onto your Android device is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to tap and what to look for so you can avoid fake listings and install the correct app with confidence. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's the safest place to get Yango. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, so the download completes smoothly. Most devices already have the Play Store on the home screen or in the app drawer. If you're connected and in the Play Store, you're ready to move on. Next, head to the search bar at the top and type Yango. Taxi, food, delivery. Entering the full name helps surface the exact app you want, rather than similar sounding options. You might see it appear in the suggestions as you type. If so, select that suggested result to go straight to the correct listing. This saves time and reduces the chance of landing on an imitation app. From the search results, select the official app published by Yango, Yandex, or Yango Group. Checking the developer name is the best way to confirm authenticity. You can also glance at the app icon, overall rating, number of downloads, and reviews. Legitimate apps typically have a high download count and a consistent brand look. If you open the app page, you'll see the publisher name right under the title, along with screenshots and a detailed description. If you don't see the official listing, it may be unavailable in your region or your device might not be compatible. Now, tap Install. The app is free to download, and the Play Store will show a progress bar as it's being added to your device. Depending on your connection, this might take a few moments. You don't need to leave the screen, just let it finish. If you're on mobile data, watch your usage, as app sizes can vary. When the installation completes, the Install button will change, indicating the app is now on your device and ready whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. By using the Google Play Store, searching the exact app name, confirming the official publisher, and tapping Install, you'll have the genuine Yango app safely downloaded to your Android device.